If you run a business in the UAE and haven't taken Emiratization seriously, this video could save you hundreds of thousands of dirhams. That is the official financial contribution companies pay per unfilled position for failing to meet Emiratization targets in 2026. Emiratization is the UAE's national policy to increase the number of citizens working in the private sector, specifically in skilled roles. It's backed by the Nafis program, a 24 billion dirham federal fund designed to support private sector hiring through subsidies and training. The target is to bring 75,000 Emiratis into the private sector by 2026. These national ambitions are now your legal obligations. In 2026, this applies to mainland private sector companies regulated by the Ministry of Human Resources and Emiratization. Companies with 50 or more employees must have 10% of their skilled roles filled by UAE nationals by the end of this year. Firms with 20 to 49 employees in 14 strategic sectors like IT, healthcare, and finance must also meet specific headcount targets. The cost of non-compliance is steep, 9,000 AED per month for every unfilled position, totaling 108,000 AED per year. These fines are escalating every year. Delaying your compliance only increases your financial and operational risk. Beware of fake Emiratization. Fictitious hires carry a separate 100,000 dirham fine and can lead to criminal referrals. However, Emiratization isn't just a penalty. The Nafis program provides significant support for companies that comply. Nafis provides wage subsidies for Emirati employees, reducing the cost differential for your business. It also funds professional training programs, allowing you to invest in your workforce with government financial backing. You can also access the dedicated Nafis portal to connect directly with qualified Emirati job seekers across all sectors. To comply, start by checking your exact quota gap on the MoHRE portal based on your skilled headcount. Identify genuine roles for Emirati placement in key areas like technology, finance, and operations for better retention. Work with a specialist agency that has an active Emirati network to speed up your hiring timeline. Ensure every hire is properly registered in the National Social Insurance System, GPSSA, to prove genuine compliance. This is where Staff Connect helps. We are a leading UAE staffing company specializing in end-to-end talent acquisition. With over 3,000 successful placements, we specialize in IT, finance, healthcare, and more across Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and beyond. We help you through candidate sourcing, contract staffing, and rebadging to ensure your compliance is protected. Visit our website or get in touch today to build your practical compliance plan. Staff Connect, your partner in UAE talent.